This exterior, this is already new. It almost looks like an MRT station, right? So today seems to be an extremely rainy day again. So I thought it would be a nice idea to show how the rain looks from the BTS. So I'm now on the Lom line. Just started from the Siam station. So I'm here at the Chong Nonsi station. Still extremely rainy. And just wanted to have a look at the tallest skyscraper in the city. Last night it really rained very hard, so big parts were flooded. And this morning it just kept raining like this. It's about 9 o'clock now. And this is one of those days where I have the feeling that it's not going to stop today. It's just going to be raining the whole day. Howdy, Cap. Okay, so what I said, I think it's going to be raining all day, so I'm heading towards the river now and see how the level is. I saw some information that they're going to open up a dam in the north, which will mean there's going to be a lot more water coming down the Chao Phraya River. So I just want to give an update about the state of that. So let's go to Saphan Taksin Station. I just arrived here at the Saphan Taksin BTS station, directly on the bridge. And the reason that I'm here is because I want to give an update regarding the new ferry pier that's been built here. And basically they are deconstructing the old ferry pier. It should take about 2 months. And you can still take the ferry, but the ferries are only going early morning now and later in the afternoon. So between 9 and 3 you cannot take the boat. But and in the weekend they are closed. And this is all because of COVID measurements. So I'm happy to give you a little bit of an update. Also another thing, you notice here there is only one lane here. And as you can see, the other train, the train that is going in the direction of National Stadium, had to wait there for this train to pass. So there is, yeah, they are going to redo this station as well in the near future, which means that the Saphan Taksin Station will be closed. So I will keep you up to date about that as well. So I will show you how the constructions are at the moment. They just started probably a month ago, because about 2 months ago I was there and they were not constructing anything. So see you downstairs. So I'm here at the exit number 1 at the Saphan Taksin BTS station. Sawadee krap. Yeah, so this is where you connect to the ferry pier from the express boat. But the express boat has very limited service at the moment. So in the weekend they are not going at all. And during weekdays, during working days, they only go in the morning and in the afternoon to bring and take commuters to and from the town. So I noticed that they are constructing a completely new pier here. So let me give you a quick update about that. The reason why I came to the river is because I wanted to see what the level of the river is, because it's been so much rain. And I remember in one of the first years that we lived here that there was big floodings after a very heavy raining season. So here you have the Sathorn Pier. So from here you can cross the river. I mean, I use this pier a lot when I come with my bicycle and I don't want to cross the big bridge. But let me show you the construction where they are making the new pier. Well, as always, I'm always saying it. I mean, in Bangkok there's a lot of construction going on at the moment. And here they are making a new ferry pier. Yeah, so I'm a little bit too early now, but this is the waiting area for the Icon Siam. So the Icon Siam will open at 10 o'clock, so it's a 9:15 now. See, normally you would just walk straight here. So there's two parts. Here you have the pier to the express boat, and then here you have the pier for the residents who live on the river. And most of the buildings here have their private boats. Yeah, so this is where let's call it the old river station used to be, and they are redoing the whole thing. So yeah, when it's ready I will obviously show you guys. So this is the small ferry that goes across the river here, that goes from that pier. As you can see, a lot of green. This always happens during the raining season. The green from the river upstream all comes down here. Today is a bit of a rainy day. Luckily the rain stopped a little bit, so I had time to film now. This building here is called the River. Okay, let me show you the other part. So I'm not sure how long this construction is going to take, but I don't think it's going to be too long. And of course now during the COVID pandemic, when you don't have too much service, then this is the perfect time to do the reconstructions. So this is where you go to the express boat, and I think this exterior, this is already new. You can see it looks a lot more modern. It almost looks like an MRT station, right? So this is the new schedule of the boat at the moment. So in the weekend it's closed, and in the morning the last boat goes at 8:45, and then from 8:45 until 3 there is no boats going. And here, this is the pier where you can still get the express boat. And then you also have the Mind Smart Ferry, which also only goes in the morning at the moment. And here you actually have a nice view of the river. So there you have the Four Seasons, which is a residential and hotel, and then in front you have the Capella, which is I think listed as one of the best hotels in the world, and probably the best hotel here in Bangkok. Yeah, it's interesting to see all this green as well in the river here. Then there in the back you have the Asiatique. Well, the level of the river is not that high yet, luckily so. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed this update regarding the construction of the new river pier here in Sathorn. If you did, feel free to subscribe, drop me a line, and see you guys in my next video.